This is Nathan from the Valley Hackathon in Modesto, California for Indigious Hack, and just wanted to show off a little bit about Trello if you haven't used it before. It's a great platform to work on to keep track of what you're doing in your projects. And so I've set up, I use the Trello app, but you can also just use the Trello website, Trello. And I created a new board, and to do that here, I just said create a new board down there. And then I added a few lists, right? And so I added to do, doing, and done. And if you don't have an experienced team working with Kanban or Agile, that's probably a great way to start, just with those three. And then I'm going to add a card. And so I started one here, review the mobile code base from last year. We're actually picking up a project from last year. If I click over here on edit, well, actually I don't want to do that. I'll click on it here and bring it up. Now, inside of here, I can add a detailed description. I can add comments. I can actually assign this to someone. So I have members, and Peter Van is going to be probably our main guy working on that. So look through. It has been a whole year, right? Take notes and do some documentation. Okay, so this is a fairly simple card, and I can label this. I'm going to call green documentation. No one will ever want to grab those. I'm going to make blue into the blue color into features, and then I'll create a new label. We'll make it dark, and we'll call this bug/bad UI UX. Create that. Those will come up as we go along. Okay. Only want documentation on this one. So let me add one that's a little bit more complex here also. I'm going to call this one, I'm going to call this video instruction, oops, can't spell, sorry, for the product. So this is going to be click this, and I'm going to actually add a checklist to this one. So I'm going to just call it checklist. You can have multiple checklists and add an item. Plan the training video. Do the artwork and animations. Film live scenes, and then finally edit and polish the video. So someone can come along and work on that one as well. Now, whoever wants to, as a public board, can jump in and say, hey, I want to work on this project. And you'll notice if I look at members here, I could add myself and Scotty Wagner and Stephen Connor to work on this. Now, probably none of us will work on this piece. I think Daisy will work on this if she's coming. I think she is. We'll see. But multiple people can jump on and say, hey, I'm working on this, and they can work on different pieces. And you can convert these to cards if you want to, pop them out to be full-on cards as well. So then, as you do this, you just drag them from one column to the other. And then another list you might want to add is testing. If you do pull requests, this is often a good idea. And so we can drag this over here, and then maybe oops, getting testing done. And then this can move over to testing, and then someone else can jump on, add their name to it, test it. and then it can be moved over to done. This is a great way to run a hackathon project, whether it's a competitive one or this one. And my prayers are with all of you for this weekend. I really pray that your events are incredible and that you get good things done for the kingdom of Christ. God bless.